Us women, sometimes we envision things and we want to get it done super fast, but it just don't work like that all the time. Yeah. Hey friends, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is gonna be like a cleaning vlog because A, I haven't done one of these in a very long time, and B, I've got some areas around my house that needs a little help, okay? We're inside the area that I was telling you that we were painting, and it went from gray, if I have footage I'll put it here, to white. And that means, I mean, the curtains are old, so that's outside the matter, but those curtains needed to be replaced, though we can start creating the ambiance in this room that we want to. But that also means the toys have to go and all these things. So there's like lots of little areas, lots of little things I'm trying to do, but I have picked up a couple of things to help me. Grabbed a bunch of curtains. I grabbed 4 of them. I have 4 of them. They look like this. They are like a crocus, I don't know, how do you describe this fabric? Canvas? No, originally I wanted canvas, but then I came by these when I was at Lowe's. Yeah, it was Lowe's here in Canada. They are along the lines of the colors that I wanted. These do have a pattern though. I didn't anticipate buying one with a pattern, so we'll have to see how it goes. I got them in 84 inches. 84? Yeah, 84 inches long. And I grabbed 4, like I said. I'm hoping to try to put those up in today's video, but before that I have some well-needed areas that need some cleaning. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera very well. The light is on. You guys see that? But my cupboards are just looking so dingy. Yeah, the cupboards, they've just been looking so dusty and gross. They definitely need a little bit of help. And I wanted to do this video throughout the day, but I just couldn't get a chance because I was being a mom and I just didn't get the chance to at all. Another thing that I need to do is tackle this stove. Guys, y'all let me know how you feel about the stovetop. I think I was trying to explain it before when my husband wanted us to get a stovetop, even though I know that when you have your home and you're upgrading your stove, obviously everyone go with the fancy gas stove, okay? However, no one ever talks about the maintenance that comes along with these stoves. I'm not gonna lie, I love my stove. It looks really cute, but I was apprehensive at first, and yeah, it's just one of those things. You kind of have to go with the flow, and you have to do your part to help keep it looking clean. I do find it gets significantly dirtier than the flat top, because the flat top you could just go like this, but the flat top did look kind of not cute. So the cleaner that I've been using is this Myers one. It seems to do the trick when it comes to getting my stove pretty clean. I gave the stove a quick little wipe. It's actually something, I'm not doing it as deep. I'm not doing a deep clean today because it's just really too late in the night. But hubby did buy a product. It was like Barkeeper's Friend. I've never heard of it, but actually I've heard of it, but I've never tried it. So I was hoping to be able to get to use it on the stovetop pretty soon, but today's not the day for that. So I'm just gonna give these a quick little wipe, set them back in place, and we'll move on to my next project. guys, I didn't even get to do much yet because my hubby just came home and we're trying to do our floors in our house, so we're gonna have to go to the floor store. It's literally 6 o'clock and they're closed at 7, so this is gonna be turning into like some after-hour cleaning. Yeah, it probably is, or if you don't see anything from tonight, it will probably go over to the next day. But let me show you. I had this red wine vinegar in my cupboard and it was literally filled to where here. I just threw it out. Expired 2019. Don't be like me. Check your cupboards. The thing is, this one was in a cupboard above the hood range. It's a very like miscellaneous type cupboard that no one really goes into except to get water bottles, which are always at the front. Yeah, I don't know if I got to tell you, but like I said, I want to wipe down my cupboards. I want to wipe down the fridge. I would love to put up the curtains. I was trying to wait because I was seeing if I wanted to do like an organization vlog to show you guys me putting the living room together, but man, sometimes my idea in my head is so much bigger than just like the time and availability. In my mind, I'm just like, I want to tackle it all, but there's a lot going on. We're currently putting together the playroom as well, which I have footage. I've already filmed stuff for you guys to see me taking care of that, but yeah, it's just a lot. And you know, us women, sometimes we envision things and we want to get it done super fast, but it just don't work like that all the time. Yeah, now I understand. So I'm gonna run on the street, gonna check out some floors, and I'll be right back, and hopefully y'all are still here. So guys, time to clean the cupboards. So you guys, this vlog is kind of all over the place. Like I said, it was supposed to be a little bit of clean with me, but yeah, we're tackling the cupboards. The cupboards inside my kitchen they're just so old, and we're doing home renovations right now, so but it's just not in the budget to get cupboards done at this moment. We're about to do our floors, and that is a big job in itself. However, hubby and I still talk about possibly finishing it just ourselves, or we're still trying to weigh the options. That being said, y'all saw what I was trying to do. Just trying to clean it is just a pain in the butt. I was using this like cloth, and it was just leaving residue. So then I switched to paper towel, and it's doing the job, but I feel like it's still so tedious and it's wasting a lot of paper towel. So hubby was saying that there's this little trick, and it's using like fabric softener, liquid fabric softener to on like something to just wipe down the cupboard because it repels dirt. And I was like, that is so genius. He's told me about it before, but we've never tried it. And tell me why I don't have liquid fabric softener. Do I? Let's check. I don't think I do. That one. Looking in my cupboards. It's the one thing that I don't have. Okay, that sucks. Well, I do have these. So I don't have the liquid kinds, but I have just regular fabric softener that you throw inside the dryer. And I don't know why I have two boxes open at the same time. Like, this is what happens when you live in a household where kids do laundry too, and no one checks things before they open a second box before the other box is even done. This is what I'm talking about. This one's open and this one's open. This area of my life needs a little help, but it's just so much to do and so little time. So anyways, we're gonna go try this. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna wet it, of course, and just see what it does, and I'll let you guys know how it works. Clearly, I'm not gonna get I probably will do a formal cleaning vlog eventually. We'll see. This is just like a casual clean with me, I guess.
soft close.
Is it?
Yeah. You want to see the garbage? It's garbage. I mean, nothing special, but...
Get out of there.
It's like... It's about that.
Oh, that's nice. Is it bigger than ours?
It's bigger than ours, yeah.
Yes, I like that.
And this thing has a handle.
Oh, I like that. Very nice.
So it has a pull-out handle, right?
Just wanted to give you guys a little update on the product itself. So I think I was trying to show you guys that it did work, but it could have definitely worked better if it was liquid, because you could just use like a cloth of some kind inside of the liquid fabric softener and wipe, you know, as much as you want. Whereas in, oh, I hear my little one. Whereas in the dry fabric softener, it deteriorates, like it stretches and it's very thin. It just doesn't have much to work with. Though I used paper towel behind it to help like build it up. Anyways, yeah, it's been an interesting go, but my cupboards do look a lot cleaner. I am not done, so you might see me doing this again in the next vlog. I don't know, if you're bored, I don't know, we'll see. But there's always a lot to do around here, so I could definitely do another a proper cleaning video. In the middle of the day is what I'm trying to aim for, because at night it is so hard. But yeah, good news though. We went to the flooring store and we chose our floors, and we should be getting it this Thursday. So your girl is gonna get some nice floors. It's been a long minute. My floors are natural hardwood, and I know some people actually really like that. They can finish it, but I feel like they're out of date because the pattern of them are just so old, but they're solid. The way they used to make them are super solid. Our main reason too is there's a section where our sliding door is, where the sliding door is towards the back door. The prior people who owned this house, they had like a gigantic dog, and he would run in and paws just went like right into the hardwood, so it just like scratched off layers, and we're dealing with the effects of it. Anytime any kind of water comes, it just strips. It's like literally stripping all the time. Not anything crazy that you have to deal with, but you can see it on socks and different things. It's like a very light tint. It just looks like dirt, you know, but we know exactly what it is. It's like varnish. So anyways, I'm grateful and excited and just can't wait for this to happen. I'm not a big fan of construction, but you know, we have to do what we have to do, and Babe is taking the son by himself. So like I said to you guys, I've been vlogging consistently on here for Vlogtober. If you guys are a big fan of vlogs, you might want to also follow my other channel, because that's where the vlogs were primarily. But I said that I was trying to shift grocery hauls and different things over here and day in the life mommy style vlogs. But in terms of like all the family content, including like renovations and those things, are usually on my family channel. Is called the Zebra Tribe Fam. So if you guys like the vlogs and you enjoy the way I've been doing them, definitely follow us over there as well. I should have the link down below. And yeah, our handle should be the Zebra Tribe Fam. Yeah, but hope you guys enjoy today's vlog, day in the life. I don't know what it is, but I hope you guys were entertained somewhat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.